We're making a fun and delicious way to devour Caesar salad in a chicken taco. The seasoned chicken is browned in minutes with a tortilla and topped with a fresh Caesar salad. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier food that tastes amazing, then you are in the right place. Now you're welcome to jot down these ingredients as we go along, or you can click on the link that's in the video description below, and that will take you to the full recipe with all the details, including nutrition facts, ingredients and substitutions, and frequently asked questions. Now to make these really easy chicken smash tacos, we're going to start with ground chicken. So we're just going to add 1 pound to our mixing bowl. And then I'm just going to sprinkle on a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, a tablespoon of some Worcestershire sauce just to get a little more flavor, 3 cloves of minced garlic, a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. For this recipe, I'm going to say it's half a teaspoon of salt, but I know that our preference is to go to a full teaspoon, so you can adjust accordingly. So I am sprinkling on a teaspoon of salt and a few dashes of pepper. And you can stir this together however you like. I found it's easiest to just go in with my hands. So I'm just going to gently fold our chicken over until it's all really well combined. Now that our chicken is all seasoned, we can spread it onto our tortillas. Now for the tortillas, you could use any variety that you like. I find that this jumbo size works best, and I prefer to make these gluten-free, so I'm using these jumbo white corn tortillas. But you can use flour tortillas or yellow corn tortillas. And then I'll just spread them out on my board. And then I'm just going to spoon out about 1/6 of the chicken. And then this chicken is nice and soft, so it's really easy to just spread around with the spoon. And I am going to spread it all the way to the edges because it is going to shrink a little bit. And I like to have as much surface area of chicken as possible. And you will want to try and spread it as evenly as you can. So it ends up about 1/4 inch thick. And then we'll just repeat with the remaining tortillas. Now to cook the tortillas, you'll want to bring your skillet to a medium-high heat. And I love using my Hexclad hybrid pans because it gives me the best of cast iron, stainless steel, and non-stick. Now to help that chicken get nice and crispy and juicy, we want to make sure we have some oil in our pan. So I'm just going to pour some light olive oil. And then we'll just take our tortilla and very carefully lay it into our pan, laying away from us. And then I just have this glass bowl that has a large flat area on the bottom. I'm going to set on top, and I just have this little meat pounder that's kind of heavy, so I'm going to set that in as well. And then I'm just going to wait for about 2 minutes for that chicken to brown. Now if you could use more healthy inspiration, I invite you to join my email list. All you have to do is click on the link in the video description below, and that is the best way for us to stay connected. So it's been about 2 minutes, and I can tell by the edge of the chicken that it's nice and brown. I'm going to carefully take my hot dish out and with my spatula and flip it over. Oh, that looks amazing. We have some nice crispy chicken. Now we'll let this sit for about 30 seconds until the bottom of the tortilla gets nice and toasted also. And now that the tortilla is lightly browned on the bottom, I'm going to take it out of the pan. So I'm just going to transfer it onto this cooling rack on my cookie sheet because then it's not going to get soggy before we eat it. Well, here is our sheet with 6 gorgeous looking chicken smash tacos. And I wish you could smell my kitchen right now. And now they're ready to assemble. So I'm just going to start by adding some lettuce. And I'll spoon on some of my homemade Caesar dressing. I've included the link in the description below if you'd like to check it out. And then I'll sprinkle on some shaved Parmesan cheese. And of course, you can pile these up however you like. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. I'm a little excited about this. That is incredible. That is seriously so good. That chicken is just super flavorful and lightly crispy on the edge, but then soft next to the tortilla. And then getting the fresh lettuce and that Parmesan cheese and my dressing, which I'm a little partial to, that is seriously so good. And I love that it's made with clean, natural ingredients. And I want to thank you for joining me today in my kitchen. I've included the link to the full recipe with all the details in the video description below. And that will take you to my website, gentletomy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I cannot wait to have you join me again in my kitchen.